Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with K Montes Art Studio, and join me for a little plein air painting. As many of you know, I love plein air painting, and for those that are new to the channel, thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing. My channel is slowly making its way up, and I'm super excited to welcome all the new subscribers, and I hope that you're enjoying all the videos. So this day, I had an opportunity to bring all of my fun art supplies to the lovely park around our house, and I love plein air painting. It's so peaceful and so relaxing. Some of the things that I bring with me are my watercolor pans, my water brushes, and my watercolor sketchbook. This watercolor sketchbook is a Hanamola, and I absolutely love this sketchbook. I will leave the link in the description box. The watercolor pan that I use is a student grade pan. I purchased this at Artisans and Craftsmen. Very convenient to travel with. It stacks on each other and super fun. So feel free to stop the video at any point and be inspired yourself. I have several shots in here that can be used as inspiration for plein air paintings for those that aren't able to go outside and plein air paint themselves. So here is my lovely wife and my electric bike. I love my electric bike. We've been using it so often, and it just gets you outside more, and it's so much fun. So there's my mini setup. I actually take a hiking chair and a little container of water, and I'll actually give you a little tour of my travel art bag, which is full of all types of art supplies, and it's actually not very heavy to carry at all. Sometimes I feel like I overpack, but it's perfect for me. So here's my little setup, and I was actually in the moment of rotating my setup to paint the scene behind me. After I had did my initial first sketch, I wanted to warm up, and now I was able to do a more solid sketch for the next page. I love the sounds in this video, and I hope you do too, so I'm going to let you listen and watch and just absorb the views. So enjoy your time, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and also make sure you bring something for the bugs, because the bugs kept getting in my face. So I'll come back towards the end of the video and let me know which scene you drew in the comments below. I've been plein air painting for several years now, and I never thought that I would head in this direction of artwork. A lot of my artwork in the past dealt with figures, figure drawings, women, and body positivity, but I've fallen so deeply in love with landscapes, trees, and nature, and something about this journey that I've been on and this obsession that I have with mountains and trees and landscapes has led me to such a fun collection of art. And I try to get out as often as possible, and I always use references when I'm out in the field. There are times when I do create whimsical paintings and just imagine what a landscape will look like in my mind. So because I've been painting these types of scenes for so long now, I'm able to almost create them from muscle memory, and I really love having fun colors in my landscapes. So if you're ever wondering how to get started on plein air painting, honestly, just start by drawing what you see. It doesn't have to be perfect. And a lot of the times, I kind of intentionally make things look just ever so slightly different because that is my style, and I love having whimsical aspects to my landscapes. And you'll see shortly that although it resembles the view, it doesn't exactly look like the view. And that's totally fine. That's an artistic choice. And I would say for those that are intimidated by the foliage, by the trees, and the texture, and trying to capture that realism, don't stress too much about it. Just try to get the big chunks and the clumps of leaves, and things will appear as if they are in the landscape. So here is the second painting, and you can see how there's so much foliage, so much greenery, and a lot of the colors tend to kind of blend together, but this is where you can have some creative freedom and use a variety of different colors. So I hope you enjoyed this plein air painting with me, and I hope you found a good shot in this video that you can replicate and use as a reference, especially for those that aren't able to go outside and explore and have some time to plein air paint. So thank you for watching, and welcome to all the new subscribers. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.